Hey guys, Tech Teacher here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can send automated messages from WhatsApp using Python. This is really cool thing to play with. Like, if you want to wish your friend on his birthday at exactly 12 AM, this thing will get it done. This is actually very simple. Even if you don't know Python, you can still do it. Okay. So let's start. First, you have to download Python. If you already have Python installed, you can skip this step. So, for installing Python you have to Google Python download. Click on this link, it will take you straight to Python website. Now just download and install it. As I've already have it installed, so I'm not gonna do it again. Once you have Python installed, go to command prompt and type pip. Then press enter. If pip is installed, you'll see all this info displayed here. If not, you'll see pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. In that case, just paste this command here and press enter. You'll see this message, if path has been set successfully, that the specified value was saved. Then just go to Google and search for PyWhatKit. Click on this link. It will take you straight to the Pipi's website. Now copy this command and paste it in your command prompt. I already have it installed, so it didn't take much time. It might take some time if you're installing it for the first time. Once it's installed, open Visual Studio Code and open the folder that you want your project to be in. Okay. Now I've opened a folder called Py and created a file named send_WhatsApp_message. Okay. It's recommending to install the extension. I'll install the extension so that it would be easy to format the code. Now, let's start writing our code. So, type here, import PyWhatKit. Then type PyWhatKit.sendWhatMessage. Now, here, in the first attribute, we have to type the number of the person we want to send the message to. Let me enter a number here. The second one would be the message that we want to send. Okay. So type the message you want to send. The third attribute would be the time, hours. And the fourth would be the time, minutes. I'll be writing here 21 and 30. That means I want my message to be sent at 5:30 o'clock in the evening. Now, let's go to command prompt and run our file. Make sure you are in the directory where your project is located. Then, type the name of your file with the extension. And press enter. Okay. Now it's saying that web.whatsapp.com will open in 31 seconds, and then, the message will be sent in 20 seconds. Let's wait a few seconds for it to be 5:30 PM. See? Our WhatsApp web has been opened, and the recipient's chat has also been opened. Now let's wait for 20 seconds. Then the message will be sent automatically. And, boom! Our message has been sent. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, or you want me to make other fun stuff like this, then let me know in the comments section. Goodbye.